Separate.
We try... Ano yan, no? Caesar yung nasa gitna. Careful, ah.
Okay, TJ,
Galing sa southeast.
TJ, if you, yeah, he's ready.
Nag-zone na yan.
We'll start to
I
fight.
think we're gonna fight, ano? LA Alliance here. Sa Drylands.
Zone.
Want me to go there or want me to
Kana
stay?
na lang, murag kaya pa na.
Wait lang. Wala pang tao dito.
This is 17%.
Just keep scouting muna. Maybe we can
Ulo,
take
lagi sa kuab.
Lagoon and Drylands here. In a square.
Si Kwan, always og si Kaberting.
Yo, DPS 3, 2, 1, drop.
Si always kay papasok na siguro na ako.
Sige. Si Sweet Corn, wala lagi na rin. Out of zone. Si Sweet Corn to.
Nakay-clam tank. Balon eh.
Wala lagi si Sweet
Ako rin siya, ang clamp. Need ko gano-gano isa.
Pwede na to
Ang
ko
DPS,
ang lagoon.
no.
Baloni. Lagoon.
Fighting na sila, ya?
May clam tank balon eh.
Yep.
Sweet Corn, are you here?
What's your plan here? I'm in this side.
Wala si Sweet Corn ba?
How big yung Idol Alliance?
17%.
Okay, we go back. Pull out. We go Lagoon and Hilak. Everyone comes southeast. Pull out na kayo dyan. Bring up to me. I think we'll be fighting
Yeah, 18
Boss.
versus 16% outs.
Wala kang digditang Zack.
Jack, pwede ka mag-con, Jack. Airtron, Jack.
Airtron, di ba naka-airtron man ka?
Sabi mo, gusawa ng mace?
One miss lang ko. Airtron man ka, di ba?
Pero pwede naman duwa ka Airtron. Okay,
Miss
con
lang ko.
kay maano dyan. Sige, pwede na. Pronob. Join in southeast, everyone. I need scout ahead sa Hilak. Yeah, I think safe zone is here. They're scouting us. Safe zone.
Kana, mas kaya pa siguro na to na. Gamay naman natang safe zone.
Hilak mo no, hilak.
Nandito din yung Pronob sa Drylands.
Pronob, okay.
Pila sila kabuk.
Wala pa, scouting
For
pa
sure
lang.
Lagoon for sure Lagoon, guys. Zone in. Join in and hold.
For sure lagon mo, dili mo sa hilak.
Zone in and hold. They have 23.
Nanami sa far shore lagoon.
23 day yung LA. Everyone zone in.
23? Tapa.
Everyone zone in and come northeast. Can you check this blob sa south? Tama, Scott.
Sila manata na baloni. Cesar within us. Cesar scouting sa tuwa.
Lang. We pass through lang.
Cesar zoned in sa tunnel.
May pag sa
Going sa
southeast.
Drylands.
Ato ang gigikanan kanina.
Kaya kay natong southeast na mga South PH ra baloni.
Agila scouting. May Agila dito.
Nagilan naman sila sa
Agila nasa bay. Layo ang Agila. Na sila bay.
Kasi tagiyan eh. We go outpost eh.
Depth
Pitik
tank
out.
scouting.
Def Tank pa scout sa tanan portal north to west ug southwest.
Going northwest ka northwest.
Uniflower man lagi ni.
La infamous.
Famous.
Main pa mo.
Everyone come outpost. Gina-take nilang outpost. DPS full engage 3 2 1 drop.
Uy, Yam. Nalagi si Yam diri.
Kasi maka-add sa open sa Drylands.
Wala, dismounted
I'll try,
sila
I'll try,
diri,
I'll try.
infamous.
Check, okay.
Balo
Okay,
ni, nag-OC sila.
Okay, Evan, Evan.
Is going
Check
back
ko
to
si-
Lagoon.
Napod biyang pronob diri ha. Inchingin na
Zoning
sila
in
balo
Lagoon.
ni, inchingin na
Check
sila.
ko,
Zoning in there.
Get ready. Spread lang, spread lang.
Zoning in there,
Wait, ano yan? Caesar?
Northwest. Caesar zoning in Lagoon from
Mount up,
northwest.
Evan.
Here,
Mount up, cancel. Mount up, come west. Sorry. Come west.
On ping,
Come right, come right.
on ping.
Evan, come northeast. Come northeast.
DA6 Caesar.
Yawa,
ping.
gikuan man tanaw eh.
Come northeast.
Baited.
Gibait ata tabay, kaila sila na.
Ginagukod ta?
Wala. Currently wala.
Yes, gigukod ta.
Gigukod na ka,
Northwest.
gukod na ta karon.
Spread mo.
We go back to tunnel.
Time
Elias, Anila?
Tulog si Sweet Corn. Yawa.
Yun nasa ganito to, nagsabay mi.
3 blobs ba yun na dito? Zone in.
Following sila.
Zone in.
Ni dismount ahead, careful. Dismount ahead na sila.
Spread lang,
Kanang mga nabilin, spread na lang.
Spread out, guys.
Nagubay mong ano? Gamit Sweet Corn. Lawas ra nabili og mount.
Zone in.
Goto sa deploy.
Di na nato tagaag content.
Yawa.
Dagko
Ibig
kay mga gears.
kanila to, bay. Wipe good ato.
Isa rin nasa outpost.
Wipe yun. LA ata, LA. Ata ni LA.
Out.
Garuda na Garuda. Drylands.
Come
Scouting.
North.
DA11 sila, ano? Baloni.
Ako,
Kimel. Kabalo ka mo, Mark, Kimel?
Ha?
Kabalo ka mo, Mark, og crown? Nakakang sweet corn ng party lead, manggod, naka-mark si Baloni, og crown.
Ame. Pasas ko ah.
Nakakang sweet corn, ang party lead.
Papartito, paadto sa partito.
invite yung mga party to.
Exact. Wala pa na ako nakita si Baloni.
Kapag mga masa ng mga buwang eh.
Lagi, awa ba ni nila.
Pero tiwason na ata na, nakausin na ata.
May pag sa South, South Baloni. South PH, puros ang nagkuha. Atayo, eh.
Siguro eh.
Kaya raw ta na.
Hindi yan,
Yeah,
tulok ka. Gold ilang nakuha, atayo, eh.
Man si ano. Wala lagi na ako nakita si ano.
Nadiri si
Ay.
Baloni. Sa northeast.
We go up northeast. We're gonna zone northeast.
Ara, na-mark ka na.
Daw pud kining Garuda.
Atay, giulatan gid nila ta. Na mo pipe ato. Wipe dine ta.
Na dismount Baloni, dismounted sila.
Zone in.
Dismount.
Dagkan pa.
Pero, nang zone in ang mga Garuda. Pataya na to, ano, eh.
Dako ra kaya. Scout ahead daw sa hilak. Paano kung outpost? Maniso ko lang LA Alliance sa ano? Pounds?
Walay, pildi ang
So,
hound.
they're fighting right now. I think Pronob and Cesar in Lagoon.
Ano, Bencesters in hilak?
Lagoon.
Lagon, okay.
Wait. I think they're still catching though. Oh, yeah, actually, this is Cesar versus Pronob right now. 20% versus
Zone in sa atin.
5% Cesar. Yeah, 5% Cesar, Pronob 20%, Infamous on the side. Yeah.
I think we will fight sa ano, Hilak. There's a fight, I think.
Sixteen, yung tisira jud ta ni Baloni bay. Dagko kay 14 oy ate.
Malaki.
12 ug 14 prime time man gud.
Pero fight na natin yung UC.
Yeah, relax.
OC or Regier? Relax lang, may mamaya pa.
Patayang ano to eh. Patayang sweet corn na to eh. Nasitan.
6:15 na lagi din yan. Anong wala man nakuha. Run, go outpost, go outpost.
China daw Wisim. Nagsunod sa
Yes.
tuwa ba? China daw Wisim. Tuesday 7.
Kaya na.
QT, zoning da sa kona.
Alam mo ng mga guild nga. Mga cheater, masiguro na yung ipang kwan.
China daw Wisim. Dilis na shiter ang China daw Wisim.
Nakaan siya. Ama siya lapit.
Nasa partial padong hilak, blob sila T1.
Blab, T1 Blab, okay. Run, kami sa, ano naman din eh.
Pronob is getting ran over right now.
Kutsura kayo na ano eh, Caesar.
Isa ay sakit kay nang ate mo ng sister.
Cancer
8-3.
kayo build ba? 8.3. Yawa kayo.
DPS, kami side. Ready, falling age. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pero may magka-cancer na rin ba sa portal? Sa Big What?
China daw Wisim kanit China daw Wisim ni.
Okay.
Wala sila IDA.
Ila ka day. Ila day. Okay.
Wala day.
Ay
Run,
kana.
walk to me. Come to me. Come to me. They know they're coming. Evan, walk with me.
What map are you, Kuya Baloni?
Hilak. Walk with me.
Kani.
Get ready for engage ha. Hold there. Keep scouting.
Padong sa inyo, padong dia.
Evan, get ready. Walk.
Busong ko na ba to, yung ila?
Get ready, catch. Catch a guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy. Dagan mong gyapon na. Ay, careful. Kabak na. Ayun na sundi. Catch more. Catch. Northwest. Catch northwest. Ready, full engage. Dismount lang. Stop lang. No more.
Dismounted sila.
Okay, wait. Okay, come back southeast. Come back south. Keep walking west. Keep walking west now. Guardians there. Guardians sa choke. Okay, come back in hold there. Spread. Careful the choke. Careful. Okay, they have level 5. Okay, careful now. Yo, come back south. Kaberting.
Ay, another pa mo eh.
Cesar's heading towards
Kami
Hilak as well.
Kami said.
Allah.
Outpost.
But you can still open the outpost.
Open sa
It's still,
kanila.
you have
Run, boots
46.
up and go mount.
Abrian ako ni.
Abrian na.
Once upon a time, it's once upon a time.
Okay, just ano lang. Hold lang. How many days?
Cesar 2% right now.
Tara,
Dami.
mo jud na kanang blab ay kanang blab.
3%. Cesar 3%.
Here. Okay. Let me get ano. Yun, as. Yung sa'yo,
Thank you,
makalot mo tayo na. Kapag na yung tinemper ako, silver.
Good,
Bag
so I think Cesar and what's up on the time fighting right now?
Everyone comes out, follow me. Comes out here.
China to Wisdom as well is here. So basically,
Help us.
where are you gonna position? So,
Tell me where the, ano, Cesar.
Oh, so Cesar is gonna be west side of you right now, heading towards west. Northeast side of the map, that's Chinatown Wisdom. Actually, they're pushing Cesar right now. If
They're
you
pushing,
if you see my ping right now, this is Chinatown Wisdom
Pwedeng kay.
pushing
Like,
Cesar, pushing Cesar.
Okay.
They just full engage right now. Both of them they just full engage.
Natin, dismount.
Cesar is 2 skills away from you in your north side, okay? Inside of you, this is Chinatown Wisdom, careful.
Okay, come back. Come back south.
Nailikod.
Come back south.
Nailikod.
Chinatowism behind. Sa to ang Zerg.
Yeah, keep walking southeast. Keep
You're
walking
gonna get
south.
sandwich.
Careful defend here. Keep walking south. Keep walking southeast.
China, this mountain and Saudi.
Keep walking southeast. Yeah, I saw them. Keep walking southeast now. Keep walking southeast lang muna. Yung Q's and W's hindi inside. Keep walking south now. Keep yung set now. Keep walking to me. Keep walking to you.
China heading towards west side, northwest of you right now. Northeast of you, this is Cuties. Northeast of you, this is Cuties. North
Yeah,
mapping.
come follow me.
North of you, this is Cuties, okay? They're pushing northwest. It's gonna be backline. This is gonna be a backline northwest of you right now.
Okay. Yo, get ready, full engage. We go north.
You can go deep here. You can dig deep here.
Go deep north. It's in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, spread and come back now.
This is Cesar, west side of you right now. They're trying to full push. You need to be careful.
Okay. Okay, come southeast.
So they just changed. Okay, west side of you right now. This is Cesar. Cuties is west side more.
Okay, keep walking north now.
If you're gonna hit northwest right now, this is gonna be Cesar and Cuties.
Okay, wait. Keep walking now.
And China Tawisem as well. This is 3 Zerg.
Look up north now. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big inside. Big here. Okay, back now. Come back fast now. Peel them. Keep walking southeast.
You need to keep pushing southeast. Northeast of you, it's gonna be another Zerg here.
Keep walking southeast.
Cesar, northeast, yo, they are mixed, west and east side of you.
Okay, keep walking southeast now.
Cesar just getting hit right now.
Alright. How big China?
China is in the west side, away from you right now.
Come to me.
So China has 4%.
China level 7.
Follow me. You look at me. No, wait.
China 4.
Come back.
North side of the choke right now. Cesar is trying to kite choke.
Come back.
You can hit him from the choke
Ready
right
pushing
now.
China?
You can hit him from the choke right now if you want.
You look at north deep. You're in 5. Wait, come back.
West side of you, this another Zerg.
Come back. Look west. Walk west.
So if you keep pushing west, you're gonna be safe here.
Come back. Southeast.
You can hit them from northeast now, they just engage.
West, walk north.
Northeast of you.
Walk north. You look at, wait. East deep. Get ready, northeast deep in 5. Wait, hold. Hold. Come back.
You're gonna-
North deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now on me.
You need to be careful inside of you. You're gonna get sandwich if you
We
push
go
him.
southwest now.
No, you're gonna get sandwich here. You need to keep pushing west.
West. Keep walking west. Keep walking
Cesar, southeast.
Keep walking northwest now. We go northwest.
You're gonna be good northwest of you. You can engage from northeast right now. But you need to keep pushing north.
Come north now. Get ready here. You, everyone, full engage east deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Everything here. Okay, come back and spread. Get ready full defend here. They have engaged. Keep walking north now. Keep walking now. Spread. Good, that's good. Keep
They're
walking.
gonna be full facing you right now. You need to be careful. This is 1v1. This is 1v1.
Keep walking. Oh, everyone, ball inside. East. I'm gonna, you after you gonna come to engage east side. Get ready. Wait. I don't see their engage. Where's their, Okay. Hold. Oh, not yet. Everyone, come west. You look at east side deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the choke now.
You need to kite northwest. Cesar south of you right now.
Back west now. Northwest now. North. Keep walking.
You should be good here. Just keep pushing northwest. Cesar's still facing you right now.
Keep walking north. Where's Cesar again?
Southeast of you right now.
Keep walking northeast. Follow me, follow me, follow me.
They're full turning on you right now. You need to be careful here.
Yeah, come to me, come to me, come to me, come to me. How big are they?
No disarray.
Okay, okay. We're gonna